And now large proteins cross into the bloodstream. So when we look at things like shellfish, the type of protein that we find in shellfish, it's called tropomyosin. And basically, the tropomyosin is somewhat similar to what we find in things like in a sense, actually, it's very similar to roach, to proteins that are in roaches and dust mites and different things like that. And so we're being exposed to that on a regular basis. And our body, when it feels threatened, is going to create an immune response to that. And so shellfish have components in there that are going to stimulate our immune system when we take in those proteins and when they're large and undigested in high amounts. So anybody that has a food allergy to it, it's a sign that they have leaky gut. Okay, and again, it's one of those things that seems to trigger. In fact, we know 6 million Americans have a food allergy to shellfish, and it's the #1 food allergy that puts people in the hospital.
Tropomyosin is the protein that you're partaking of when you eat shrimp, lobster. That is a delicacy. It's something that you love so much down here in New Orleans and down south in general. It's the same as eating a roach. You're eating a roach out the water. Both insects and crustacean, like shrimp, have 3-part bodies made up of a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Both have jointed legs. Shrimp, lobsters are in the same family as a roach. You're eating a roach that's in the water, something that's supposed to clean the waters. You don't eat that. You're eating a roach when you eating a shrimp, fool. This is the book of Deuteronomy 14 and verse 9. This is why the Lord has this here. These ye shall eat of all that are in the waters. All that have fins and scales shall ye eat. Shrimp don't have fins and scales, clown. Not even a catfish. It don't have fins and scales. You ain't supposed to eat that. Verse 10. And whatsoever have not fins and scales, ye may not eat. It is unclean unto you. So you wonder why you're always sick. You always got allergies, rashes, your face breaking out. You got high blood pressure, cancer, skin cancer. You're overweight. You stink coming through your pores. Your breath always stink. Your diet is jacked up. You refuse to live by what the Lord is telling you out this Bible. So you done heard it here first. It's time to deal with the word of this Bible. It's time to put down foolishness. Get that foolishness out your mouth. Shrimp po' boy and all this other foolishness that you're putting off in your mouth. It's time to deal with this word. You got responsibility and you got laws to keep. It's time to take care of your body. That way you better take care of your mind. Shalom.